Well, this morning, the United States Supreme Court upheld a ruling making it illegal to sleep outside in so-called homeless encampments. Now, this ruling is based on a similar one coming out of a small city in Oregon. So the question now, how will this ruling affect the unhoused population in Memphis? ABC 24's Scott Mattis is live in studio with those answers. And Scott, what did you learn?
Well, good evening, Pepper. Those I spoke with today who help the unhoused population right here in Memphis on a daily basis tell me this ruling will not affect those who sleep on the street right here in the 901. Since 2022, the state of Tennessee has had a law in place making it a felony to sleep on public property. And Friday morning, the U.S. Supreme Court went a step further, ruling to uphold a ban on encampments for the unhoused nationwide.
I think it's a shame, and I think it's something of a tragedy.
Kelsey Johnson, executive director at Hospitality Hub of Memphis, says with an estimated 6,000 unhoused people in the city of Memphis, the ruling he believes is not one that will be enforced in Memphis.
They're just not going to enforce a law that requires them to arrest a person because they're poor.
Supreme Court justices in favor of the ruling believe this decision does not violate the Eighth Amendment by inflicting cruel or unusual punishments toward offenders. Johnson says if enforced in Memphis, repeat, unhoused offenders who are cited facing arrests would wreak havoc inside area jails.
It's not smart. It's counterproductive. It's expensive. Taxpayers surely don't want to pay for it. And in Memphis, they're not going to.
Johnson goes on to say even with state laws prohibiting public property sleeping, TDOT, along with the Hospitality Hub, cleared a homeless encampment near the flyover last June. And during the event, no arrests were made.
Those people who wanted shelter, we helped them get shelter, and where there was no shelter, we put them in hotel rooms until we got them shelter.
Amazing group of people, Pepper, over there. Now, I reached out to the Memphis Police Department for a comment on the Supreme Court's ruling. As of right now, I have not received a response. Live in studio, I'm Scott Mattis.
I'm sure you'll stay on top of it, Scott. Thank you.